Hello everyone, and welcome to Code with Zuckerberg. In this tutorial, we are going to download and install PyCharm IDE. For this, open up your web browser, and in search bar, type PyCharm. Click on the first link. Click on Download button. Here you can see that there are two options, Professional and Community. As Community version is free, we will download the Community edition. Wait for download to complete. Open up the PyCharm installer. Click on Next button. Next. Select 64-bit launcher and add launcher directory to the path. Click on Next button. Install. Select I want to manually reboot later and click on Finish button. You can see that we have installed PyCharm successfully on our PC. Double-click on the icon and open PyCharm IDE. Accept the user agreement and click on Continue button. To create a new project, click on New Project. Here, give a name to your project. I will use My Project. Here virtual environment is selected by default. Make sure that in base interpreter, Python is selected, then click on Create. Wait while the virtual environment is being created. In order to increase the font size, click on File, then Setting. Click on Editor and Fonts. Change the font size to whatever you want. I use 20. Click on Apply, and then OK. Create a new Python file, and name it, let's say main.py. In order to check whether everything is OK, write a basic Hello World program. To run the file, click on Run, then run main. Here you can see that Hello World gets printed on the terminal. This means you have installed PyCharm successfully, and everything is working perfectly.